Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make egg rolls. We will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 130 milliliters of milk, 80 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, salt and baking powder, 125 grams of butter, 1 raw egg and 12 cooked eggs. First, we add all the dry ingredients and mix together. Mix everything together. Then we add the butter and mix until it forms like it becomes like a bread crumbs. Then when you have mixed the butter very well, you make a hole in the middle and add the raw egg and mix together to form a hard egg consistency. Then when you have mixed the egg together, then you add the milk. Add the milk in that's adding the milk little by little and keep on mixing together so that you get a very well mixed dough. When you have added the milk and mixed everything together, then you will get a softer dough. That from there you will make the egg roll. You see, after mixing everything, after adding all the milk and mixing everything together, you get this as consistency. Then you use a plastic film to cover it, set aside for some minutes. The ingredients is for you to get a 12 egg rolls. So if you want to make more, you add more ingredients. If you want to make less, you less the ingredients. Then divide the dough into 12 parts. And when you have done that, then you pick each part and mold it in your palm. You flatten it in your palm to form like a circle, a round circle. And then you place 1 egg inside the dough and cover it up. You see how I am molding it in my palm. You place the egg and cover the egg. Cover it very well so that it doesn't open, it doesn't break out when you are frying it. And that is it. Then you fry it in deep oil. The oil should not be too hot. Fry it until they turn brown. You see how I am molding it in my palm so that everything will be smooth. And then fry it. Yes, I am going to cut this egg. You know why I'm cutting this egg? This one is going to be for that woman that used to sell egg roll to us in secondary school. She will say that it has an egg inside, and when we open it, it will be quarter egg. And you ask her, I thought you said 1 egg, and she will say, maybe it is in another one. When you buy another one, you will see egg. So I am going to retaliate. This one is for her. That is my own form of retaliation. So you now fry the prepared dough with the egg inside, and you have your egg roll. Crunchy on the outside, yummy and soft on the inside. Look at this. This is a very tasty snack. You can serve it with anything you like, but me, I prefer a freshly squeezed orange juice. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look on the inside. See how it came out? Lovely. And the outside is crunchy. Can you see that? So thank you for watching and hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Bye.